Hello, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well after the exam, which was, no doubt, was really hard. Okay, that's what I've heard. I have seen a couple of questions, obviously, the ones that you guys sent to me on Instagram or Facebook, whatever. But I haven't been able to see what the exact question paper was like. But I would definitely say that it was one of the toughest exams because that's what I heard from nearly everyone, that the paper was extremely tough. The questions were challenging. So I don't think there needs to be any debate about the difficulty level of the paper. I think it's understood that it was on the higher side. Okay, if however you did well, as I did hear from a few students that they did surprisingly well. So congratulations to you, and I hope you get a fantastic result. This video is primarily for the ones who did not, or who basically did not perform as per their expectations. This video is for those students, and I didn't plan on making this video, but right after I got feedback from you guys, I planned it. The reason why I'm making it so late is because I wanted the dust to settle down. Okay, I don't want to sort of make it right after getting feedback from you. Okay, I wanted you guys to sort of relax also, and then make sure to listen to this video till the very end. So a couple of things I want to talk about is that this whole scenario sort of reminded me of two things. Okay, one, it reminded me of the mini series. Okay, if you have any seniors who appeared for the exam in the mini series, I'd suggest you ring them up, or like just hit them up and ask them how exactly they felt after the exam. Okay, I'm sure 95% would tell you that they thought that the paper went extremely. I mean, I remember I was getting messages from students that they're considering to give a retake. Okay, so I had to tell them that it's too soon for you to sign up for a retake. Okay, let things settle down, let the result come, and then we can decide what it is that needs to be done. And so many of the students who were at one point considering to give a retake now, mashallah, have ended up with A's and A stars, and even B's, which I think is a fairly good result. Okay, so and pretty much the same thing happened in October November ad math exam also. I posted the threshold on my Instagram. You can check it out, and you'll probably see that A was around 48, 49. I don't remember exactly, but it was in 40s. Okay, for one paper, and even for the other one, it wasn't that high either. It was around somewhere in the 60s, early 60s, something like that, out of 80. So if that's how you're feeling, I mean, the whole idea of this video is to probably to try and make you guys feel better, and sort of tell you that if you didn't do so well in the exam, okay, you're not the only one out there. A lot of people, in fact, from 80-85% people, I've been hearing that their paper did not go as per their expectations. Okay, there were a lot of surprises. One question I would say was not exactly a surprise. I think it was because of negligence of. I'm not. There's no point in blaming anyone right now, but I think things should have been communicated clearly. There was one question which a lot of you thought is not part of the syllabus anymore, but it is. I've been making content on it for the past, I think, year and a half, and I've been emphasizing on it that this is part of the syllabus. But anyway, what's happened has now happened. Okay, there's no point in crying over it. Okay, what's done is done. But just a lesson that make sure that whatever it is that you're preparing for, you know exactly what can come in the exam. Okay, and you're not just basing your entire preparation on what you've heard or what you see. Okay, make sure that it's crystal clear. It's the syllabus the syllabus is clearly in front of you before you start preparing for any test. Okay, regardless of whether something is frequently tested or not, you should prepare for it. Okay, I think that's one lesson. That's sort of like a blessing in this. Not exactly a blessing, but like a lesson learned. I have had to learn it the hard way, but anyway, better late than never. So yeah, so basically, if you didn't do as well as you thought and as well as you wanted to, it's okay. Okay, I as I'm making this video, and I'm reading some comments right here, and a lot of you have planned to drop maths in A levels, and a lot of you are saying that is. I read one comment which said, "Is it possible to drop a subject after you've appeared for it?" It's okay, and some of you said that this is the hardest ad math paper that they've seen in history. Yes, it was hard. Okay, but whether it was the hardest or not, I think that's only time will tell that. But again, reading your comments, I would say that don't be disheartened. It's not the end of the world. Okay, I am very confident that inshallah on result day, whenever that is, 10th August, 12th August, whenever that is, you will all be smiling and you will all be extremely surprised. Okay, because if the paper is difficult, then the playing field is leveled out by setting a low threshold. Okay, so hopefully that's exactly what's gonna happen, and inshallah, all those of you who are now disappointed, demotivated, or are sort of in a depressed state will inshallah be happy. So whatever has happened today, just know that you're not the only one to which this has happened. And like I said, that exactly the same thing happened right after the mini series. Okay, students were disappointed, and if you look at this, the threshold of the mini series, I'm talking about math. Okay, but I think it's a fair comparison. You'll probably see that A was at 43 or 44. Okay, 43 out of 100. Okay, so that means you could have completely left out 20 marks, and you could have gotten like 20 marks worth of questions wrong and still end up with an A, or perhaps even an A star. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say. That don't worry, the playing field will be leveled, and you're not gonna your grade will not be on the basis of what percentage you get. Obviously, after threshold is applied, inshallah, all of us nearly will be safe. And yeah, this is what I wanted to say. I hope it's not too late, and you will watch this video today or tomorrow, whenever. And best of luck to you for the remaining exams. And yeah, that's it. This is me. Take care, everyone. Allah Hafiz.